Middle Eastern art of making kebab. A flavorful tradition. Kebab is more than just grilled meat. It's a centuries-old tradition that runs deep through the culinary heart of the Middle East. From the bustling souks of Damascus to backyard gatherings in Tehran, kebabs are a symbol of hospitality, celebration, and smoky perfection. The question is, what makes Middle Eastern kebabs unique? Unlike Western versions that often rely on a single style, Middle Eastern kebabs come in many forms, each with its own seasoning, preparation, and method of cooking. What unites them is a deep respect for spice blends, freshness, and charcoal grilling. Here are some of the most popular types. Shish kebab, Turkey, Levant. Cubes of lamb or beef are marinated in olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and warm spices like cinnamon and allspice, then skewered and grilled with vegetables. Kofta kebab, Egypt, Lebanon, Syria. Ground meat, often lamb or beef, is mixed with parsley, onion, garlic, and spices, shaped around skewers and grilled to juicy perfection. These are often served with flatbread and tahini. Cello kebab, Iran. A national treasure in Iran, this features kubide, minced lamb or beef with onion, or barg, marinated slices of beef or lamb, always served with saffron rice, grilled tomatoes, and sumac. Kebab halabi, Aleppo, Syria. Known for its spice-rich heritage, this version blends minced meat with Aleppo pepper, pine nuts, and sometimes pomegranate molasses, creating a deep, tangy flavor. Chicken kebab, shish taouk, Levant. Cubed chicken marinated in yogurt, garlic, lemon, and tomato paste, resulting in tender, smoky bites often wrapped in warm pita. Tips for authentic flavor. 1. Use charcoal or wood fire for the best smoky depth. 2. Let the meat marinate, anywhere from 4 hours to overnight. 3. Don't overcrowd the skewers. Allow each piece to char and breathe. 4. Serve with freshness. Think grilled vegetables, sumac onions, pickles, and mint yogurt. A dish that tells a story. Every kebab recipe tells the story of its people, the nomads who first skewered meat over fire, the traders who brought spices, and the families who passed recipes down through generations. Whether served at a feast or grilled on a simple backyard fire, kebab remains a pillar of Middle Eastern food culture, flavorful, social, and always satisfying.